told you not to touch anything, buddy. Now I'll stick you under big fuzzy dog too.
What are you doing, Curtis?
Watch this.
Roar! 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 Roar!
Wait a second, Darren.
Roar! Roar! Roar!
It was me.
Give me them fingers. Give me them fingers. Roar! Roar!
Well, honey, what do you think? You should keep both your wheels on the G-Darn wheel. You said there was going to be trouble.